Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, March 5th, 2023. It is 3:59 and 48 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, water pollution. So let's hop to it here. Coastal water pollution transfers to the air and sea spray aerosol that reaches people on land. Scientists find bacteria, chemical compounds from coastal water pollution and sea spray aerosol along beaches. Date March 2nd, 2023. Source: University of California. Rainfall in the U.S.-Mexico border region causes complications for wastewater treatment and results in untreated sewage being diverted into the Tijuana River and flowing into the ocean in South Imperial Beach. As this input of contaminated water has caused chronic coastal water pollution in Imperial Beach for decades. New research shows that sewage polluted coastal waters transfer to the atmosphere as sea spray aerosol formed by breaking waves and bursting bubbles. Sea spray aerosol contains bacteria, viruses, and chemical compounds from the sea water. The study appears in the midst of the winter, in which an estimated 13 billion gallons of sewage-polluted waters have entered the ocean via Tijuana River, according to the researchers. They've shown that up to 3/4 of the bacteria that you breathe in at Imperial Beach are coming from aerosolization of raw sewage in the surface zone. As coastal water pollution has been traditionally considered just a waterborne problem, people worry about swimming and surfing in it, but not about breathing it in, even though the aerosols can travel long distances and expose many more people than those just at the beach or in the water. The researchers sampled coastal aerosols at Imperial Beach and water from the Tijuana River between January and May 2019. Then they used DNA sequencing and mass spectrometry to link bacteria and chemical compounds and coastal aerosol back to the sewage polluted Tijuana River flowing into the coastal waters. Aerosols from the ocean were found to contain bacteria and chemicals originating from the Tijuana River. Now the team is conducting follow-up research, attempting to detect viruses and other airborne pathogens. The scientific researchers caution that the work does not mean people are getting sick from sewage and sea spray aerosol. Most bacteria and viruses are harmless, and the presence of bacteria and sea spray aerosol does not automatically mean that microbes, pathogenic or otherwise, become airborne. Infectivity, exposure levels, and other factors that determine risk need further investigation. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.